Hello, today we will talk about the model space and the layouts. Now this tab here is drawing tab, the drawing file tab. Right now I have only one drawing file open, which is entitled 0. I can create new drawing file by just clicking the new file command. Now I get my new drawing file. So here we have the view control and video style control. They are mainly used for 3D. So we won't be going into detail about them. Likewise, the view control, view cube. View cube. For example, here we call it either view cube or locator, but in AutoCAD is a view cube. Now to turn off, to hide locator or view cube, or view control and video style control, we'll click here, and then in this context, view control and video style control are grouped as view control. So if I toggle it, it will go off. So I can bring it back. Now if I want to turn off the view control and the view box view cube, I can just toggle locator. I'll turn it off. Now if you look at the view control, you can see it's just the views, isometric views from left side, left, right, top, bottom, and some few isometric views, right? And then video style control will show how the 3D object will look. Will it be shaded or hidden, or maybe any maybe flat shaded, gutter shaded, etc. You'll see how this takes effect or the way it works once you get into 3D. Now here is the drawing area. We call it the model space. It's like a giant graph sheet. Right now let me turn the grid on so that you'll understand. You can see it's just like a giant graph sheet, and here is the origin of the graph. Here is the origin of the graph. Now if you look at this icon, it is just showing you X and Y axis. Right here at the intersection of X and Y is where we have our origin. And this icon here is what we call the user coordinate system. Now this user coordinate system is aligned with world coordinate system, which is the absolute origin of NanoCAD, as the absolute origin of this model space. So that means that any drawing from here, the measurement comes from here. Okay? And you can actually move your UCS out, and then you can maybe later return it back to align with the WCS. Now this is your layout 1, layout 2, layout 3. Here we call it A4, A3, depending on the size of the paper, the formatting of the size of paper. But in AutoCAD you can see layout 1, layout 2, and layout 3. So I hope this helps.